You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. Former United States government official and retired lieutenant general in the U.S. Army. For more confusing names from U.S. politic, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Keith, not Keith, okay, Keith. Kellogg, not Kellogg or Kellogg. Kellogg, Keith Kellogg. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.